Got a 1-day-old calf. First cattle move. I don't even know if she's a day old yet. She's probably only a few hours old, judging by the umbilical cord and mama's condition. Amazing what nature can do if you let it.
There's no burden greater in life.
Pit stop for a drink. Come on, girls. Come on. Come on, mamas. Come on. Come on, mama. Come on.
Hey stranger, if ever you decide giving in to the bottom,
Good job leading them, bud.
ease your worried mind and heavy heart. You'll see in
Good job leading.
time there's no burden greater in life. Soon as you pick yourself up, just go.
See, they're just taking the tips off.
You'll find a locked door, don't go make mistakes like mine. There's no burden greater in life. Don't go live with trouble in mind.
Come on through.